Right now, there are features built into your car sitting in the driveway that are specifically designed to prevent thousands of dollars in repair bills, and you have absolutely no idea they exist. Dealerships never mention them. Mechanics have no reason to bring them up, and manufacturers buried them so deep in the owner's manual that nobody reads far enough to find them. Here are 10 hidden car tricks that were never meant to be discovered. Let's begin with secret number 10. Secret number 10. Rear windshield defrost grid. You have been staring at those thin horizontal lines on your rear windshield your entire driving life, thinking they do exactly one thing. Those lines are doing two completely separate jobs. They heat up and defrost your rear glass when you press that defrost button. But that same grid is also functioning as your car's primary antenna for satellite radio and AM/FM reception. Every time someone takes an ice scraper to the inside of that rear window or wipes it aggressively with a rough cloth, they are physically damaging the antenna embedded in the glass. Degraded radio reception, dropping signals, and static that gets worse over time with no obvious explanation. A single broken grid line can kill an entire frequency band. That scratch from last winter clearing fog? That could be why the radio cuts in and out on the daily commute. A full rear window replacement from avoidable grid damage runs $300 to $800. Use a microfiber towel. Always wipe horizontally with the lines, never against them. But wait, this next trick could save you from a seriously dangerous situation. Secret number 9. Headrest emergency release. Ever wonder why your headrest has that button on top or near the base? Most drivers just push it around trying to get comfortable and never think about it again. Every headrest has a hidden release button that lets it come out in seconds. Look at the base where the two metal rods slide into the seat. A small recessed button on the collar or a circular button on the headrest itself. Press it while pulling up, and the headrest slides out effortlessly. Manufacturers designed headrests to be removable for a very specific reason. In an emergency where someone is trapped inside a locked car, those metal rods are strong enough to shatter a side window. Wedge the rod into the corner where glass meets frame. Apply pressure, and tempered glass breaks immediately. The headrest removal also makes deep cleaning seats easier, allows rear seats to fold completely flat, and gives rear passengers more visibility on long drives. One button gives you an emergency escape tool, cleaning convenience, and cargo solution all in one. Every driver is usually confused the first time they notice the next feature on their bumper. Secret number 8. Front bumper tow hook cover. That small circular cap on the front bumper is not a design detail. It is not a vent, and it is definitely not decorative. That round plug covers a hidden threaded receiver designed for emergency towing. Pop the cover off, and you will find a threaded hole where a tow hook screws directly into the vehicle's frame. The emergency tow hook is usually stored in the trunk beside the spare tire kit. If you ever get stuck in a ditch, buried in mud, or need to be pulled from a snowbank, that hook is your lifeline. Without it, tow straps have nowhere solid to attach. Wrapping a strap around the bumper or grille will rip it clean off when tension is applied. A bumper replacement on a modern vehicle runs $1,500 or more. Add paint matching and labor, and you are closer to $2,000. That tiny threaded hook prevents all of that by giving tow trucks a factory-engineered anchor point designed to handle the full weight of the car. Here is a feature manufacturers are actively hiding because it costs them serious money. Secret number 7. Key fob climate remote start. Car manufacturers want you to believe that pre-cooling or preheating requires a smartphone app and a monthly subscription. They will happily charge $15 to $25 every month just to start the climate system remotely. The key fob on many modern vehicles can trigger remote start with climate control already running, completely free. No app, no subscription, no monthly fees. Built into that plastic fob since day one. Press the lock button once. Then press and hold the remote start button, usually marked with a circular arrow or the letters RS. Hold 2 to 3 seconds. Engine fires up and climate kicks on at whatever temperature was set last. Automakers market connected app services aggressively because subscriptions are recurring revenue worth billions annually. Meanwhile, the exact same capability has been sitting in the key fob the entire time, doing nothing because nobody mentioned it was there. Now, this next feature fixes a problem every driver has complained about, but nobody knows they can solve themselves. Secret number 6. Gas pedal throttle reset. Somewhere along the way, the car lost its edge, and nobody at the dealership is explaining why. The acceleration hesitates right when it is needed most. You can reset throttle body calibration yourself in under 2 minutes. Zero tools, zero cost. The car's computer learns driving habits and adjusts throttle sensitivity over time. Sometimes that adaptation goes too conservative, and everything feels unresponsive. Turn the car on without starting the engine. Accessory position or press start once without touching the brake. Press the gas pedal all the way to the floor. Hold for 10 seconds. Turn ignition completely off. Wait 30 seconds. Start normally. This eliminates delayed acceleration, jerky throttle response, and that hesitation from a dead stop that makes the car feel a decade older than it is. The computer wipes its learned throttle map and starts fresh. Mechanics charge $50 to $150 to run diagnostics and perform this exact reset electronically. That just got done for free in a parking lot in under 2 minutes. Next could save you from being completely stranded at the worst possible moment. Secret number 5. Key fob low battery warning. That little warning that flashed across the dashboard 3 weeks ago and got a quick tap on OK has been appearing every morning since. Here is what most drivers completely miss. Modern vehicles have a low battery alert built into the instrument cluster that appears every time the car starts when the fob signal weakens. Most people dismiss it until the fob stops working at the worst moment in the worst location. Doors stop locking on the first press. 2 or 3 clicks before anything responds. Remote start quits. The fob has to be held unusually close to the door handle just to get a reaction. A replacement key fob battery costs about $5 at any pharmacy and takes 30 seconds to swap at home with a coin or flathead. Ignore the warning long enough, and the fob dies completely. Some vehicles then require a dealer visit to resync the fob to the security system. That service call runs $75 to $150 just to pair a key that died because of a $5 battery. Before we get to the really crazy features, hit that like button. We did a lot of digging, and it helps us keep making content like this. Done? Thanks. Secret number 4. Dead fob emergency start trick. Standing in a parking lot pressing the start button over and over, and getting absolutely nothing back. The car can still start with a completely dead key fob. Most modern vehicles have a hidden NFC reader, or passive transponder, embedded in the start button or center console. Place the dead fob directly against the start button or into the designated spot near the cup holder. Press start with foot on the brake. The car reads the passive chip at close range without needing battery power and fires the engine. Manufacturers bury this emergency start location in a single paragraph deep in the owner's manual because they would rather sell a service appointment. The fob contains a passive RFID chip that never needs battery power at close range. The battery only powers the remote buttons. The chip works indefinitely. The fob was never actually dead. It just needed to be close enough for the car to hear it whisper instead of shout. Most people fiddle with this next feature every day, without realizing it is fully adjustable. Secret number 3. Seatbelt height adjustment. Every single drive, that belt digs into the side of the neck like a dull blade, or slides off the shoulder entirely. Most people just deal with it for years. That plastic slider on the door pillar where the seatbelt feeds out is fully adjustable. Press the button or squeeze the release tab, and the entire anchor point moves up or down the pillar. Shorter drivers move it lower so the belt crosses center chest. Taller drivers need it higher to keep the belt from slipping off the shoulder. A belt positioned too high cuts across the throat in a collision, causing injuries it was engineered to prevent. Too low, and it slides off the shoulder, leaving the upper body unrestrained on impact. Some vehicles have memory settings that automatically adjust seatbelt height along with seat position and mirrors when the driver profile is selected. The system already knows where everything should be. It just never got set up because nobody mentioned it existed. Want the entire vehicle to be protected during weeks away? Secret number 2. Long-term battery sleep mode. 3 weeks in an airport parking garage is all it takes to come back to that lifeless clicking sound under the hood. Modern vehicles constantly run background processes even when parked and off. Sensors monitored, memory settings maintained, security systems running, key fob signals scanned, all draining the battery slowly. Every single day the car sits idle. Many vehicles have a deep sleep or transport mode that shuts down non-essential background systems during extended parking. Check infotainment settings under Vehicle or Battery Management. Some vehicles activate this automatically after a certain number of days without detecting the key nearby. A fully drained battery does not just strand you. Deep discharging permanently damages internal cells and shortens the lifespan of a part that costs $150 to $300 to replace. One setting change before leaving for vacation prevents that entirely and keeps the battery healthy for years longer. This next reset trick is hiding on the door panel, and almost nobody knows about it. Secret number 1. Power window reset. Halfway up, the glass just stops for no reason, and the auto down feature now requires holding the button the entire way. Power windows have a calibration setting built in and occasionally lose their programmed travel limits. This happens after a battery disconnect, a jump start, or a fuse replacement. The motor forgets where top and bottom actually are. Roll the window all the way down. Hold the button 3 seconds after it hits bottom. Roll all the way up. Hold 3 seconds after reaching the top. Done. The motor relearned its full range and recalibrated auto-stop positions from scratch. Dealerships charge $75 to $150 in diagnostic fees to perform this exact reset, because most drivers assume a malfunctioning window means a broken motor. They show up expecting major repair and pay for a 30-second recalibration. If the auto-reverse safety feature stopped working, this same recalibration brings it back immediately. That safety feature is not broken. It just lost its reference points. These features have been hiding in plain sight since day one. Now you know what 99% of drivers never figure out. If this saved you money or a headache, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who has no idea what their car can actually do. See you in the next one.